Good morning and welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. This week we have lots of certificates to give out. If you hear your friends' names at home, please do give them a clap. In Acon class, well done to Blake for having so much fun with his dough disco, and to Louis for a beautiful painting of the seaside. Well done both of you. In Ash class, well done to Charles for all your work on maths. I hear Mum and Dad made you some lovely resources that you are enjoying. And to Dorothy for resilience. It wasn't easy to do the picture of the unicorn, but you didn't give up. Well done both of you. Hornbeam, Thomas, amazing attitude towards all of your work, and to Chloe for reading with such beautiful expression. Well done. Willow class, Callum for all your maths work, learning to tell the time, and Isabella G for the descriptive work in your English. Well done both of you. In Sycamore class, Oscar for the amazing model of the working volcano, and to Tegan for descriptive work about volcanoes as well. In Beach class, Daniel S, your work on Norman Knights, and to Siva for the work on the Norman weapons. Well done both of you. In Oak class, Barry, amazing back hotel, and Isabella S for your work on bar charts and collecting data. Well done to everybody. It's amazing to see the work that you are producing. I am really proud of you. I do hope you are all keeping very well. You will be emailed today some letters from your teachers, and I'm sure they will love it if you wrote back to them. Have a lovely week, everybody. Stay safe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye for now.